Now I want you to turn to the partner next to you. Hold on. And talk to them about your favorite thing that we did yesterday. But also, while you're doing this, keep in mind, there were a couple things that they were talking about, the sponsors were talking about. What were they? Can anyone name one of the 4 things, I believe there were 4, that we were looking for as adults yesterday that were represented by all of you? Ella?
Like not giving up, like if you English bit.
Not giving up. Can anyone tell me what the big word is for that? Ella, do you know it?
Is it determination?
Excellent. And everyone can look. Determination. Honey. Determination was one of the 4 qualities that I'm looking for. A very quiet hand. So anyone that's talking, I don't think that's a very quiet hand. So determination was one of the 4 qualities that we as adults, right, Miss Honey, were looking for yesterday. Can anyone name the second one? Evan. You know? Can you think about it real quick? You had your hand up, so I think you have it. You forgot it. Would you like someone to help you? Chloe.
Respect.
Respect. What do you think respect means? Chloe, no? What do you think respect means?
That you respect the people who put their time and letting it all up.
Sure. But not just those people. What about other people?
All of us.
All of us. So that's something I know that we talk about. I know Miss White and Miss Honey talk about often in here, that we respect each other and each other's things, and that's a very serious one. And I think actually we did a very well job yesterday.
Excellent.
Don't you agree? I completely agree. All right. Stella.
Friendship.
Friendship. This one kind of goes with respect. It really does, because I see a lot of us are friends in here, and even if we're not the best of friends, we still respect each other, right? So that was an excellent one. And I saw a lot of us working very well together, because you weren't always with your best friends. We were on different teams, like the boys and the girls, or they numbered us off 1, 2, 1, 2, and I think we did really well working with each other. And the last one, Sam, do you have it in your mind? I forgot. Do you need help with someone? Yes. Luke. Honor. Honor. Sort of, but not. But that is an excellent quality to still have. Go ahead. Nicholas.
Try our best.
Try your best.
That's the Paralympic quality.
The quality, yeah.
Yes, that was the 7th quality, but it was called something else, but that's what it was meaning. So that's well remembered.
Very well. Evan, do you remember this time?
Honesty.
That would be nice. Yes,
That would be nice.
Not.
Let's see if we can try one more hand, and then we'll maybe see if Miss Honey can remember. Richard.
Good sportsmanship.
I will show you the word. So you can read the word for me. Elegant. Excellent.
Which very much corresponds with sportsmanship. Excellent.
Yeah.
Always trying your best.
Trying your best. It's a mixture. It's a tricky
it's
one.
kind of like an overall, like an umbrella word.
Yeah.
Excellent. Determination and showing that you're friends and you respect each other. Right?
I think that covers everything about, being competitive but being kind, being respectful, being thoughtful, encouraging other people, being kind. It's a word that literally covers what we often say in Class 9, that we're team players. We have all those fantastic qualities, and I think that's what excellence is. It covers every single quality as a person, which is a fantastic person to be, isn't it, Mrs. Jordan? We often say that. We used to play hockey together, and we always tried to cover all those things, didn't we, Mrs. Jordan?
Doesn't matter what age you are.
Nope.
All right.
Well done.
So with those in mind, determination, then we're going to write some notes on the board. Okay? Go ahead. Thank So I don't know how you pronounce it. lot of people saying that at home, and I've never seen that here, so that was very, very neat. Sam? I'm going to take one more because I want us to do some thinking at our tables when we go back. Evan.
Long jump.
Can I say how many children were there to add to our list? There was 1,400 children.
Who can tell me what that number looks like? Amelia. You got a number?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So, now that we have this all in mind, we are going to do a little wake and shake. I think we need to get a little bit of energy up and running. So we're going to do a wake and shake. And then we're going to come back, and I'm going to have you do we're going to come back, and then I'm going to give you further instructions, and we're going to have a big break. Okay? So I think that, who thinks that we need a little wake and shake? Now that we're so excited about our mini Olympics. Okay. So I'm going to dismiss you, and I think we can just line up today. What do you think, Miss Honey? Not so bad? I said I'm going to dismiss. We don't use that word, dismiss. Interesting. All right, let's come back. I don't know if we're ready today.
They don't have to do wake and shake.
I don't know. Okay. We're going to, I think. Just up. If you promise that we can come back and have a great carpet discussion and then a fabulous big right, we can have a wake and shake. What do you think, Miss Honey?
I think you need to prove that you're going to be good, so show good sitting.
I know it's really hard. I know yesterday was so exciting. But we're back here today, and we need to do our big right, which is an awesome topic to write about. Okay. Nathan, do you want to choose someone to line up at the doorway?